Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen how this The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is superb. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Five luxury rooms are available If you have already checked out from this hotel, share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming